With 4.5 million passengers each month and over 200 flight destinations, Lufthansa is one of the largest airlines in the world. We strive to provide both passengers and employees with the best support possible using innovative IT solutions. Our Lufthansa Ambient Media team, which is essentially our internal media agency, is responsible for the marketing of advertising space in Lufthansa, for example in our in-flight magazine or at Lufthansa lounges. My name is Günther Friedrich, and within Lufthansa's IT organization, I am in charge of commercial and passenger service processes. My team and I are responsible for providing IT support for the operation and ongoing development of systems in the global sales and marketing organization.
In the past, all customer data and bookings were managed in various Excel tables under rudimentary CRM solution. Naturally, this led to inefficiencies and made it more difficult to process customer inquiries, prepare quotes and make bookings. That's why we needed an IT solution that would guarantee an integrated and, above all, seamless process. The challenge we faced was that we only had 5 months to produce an executable initial version of the program. Working with Anywhere24 and an external project manager from Campana and Schott, we managed to do just that. As a result, we were able to execute all ambient media planning for 2017 on the new platform. Of all the solutions presented to us during the tendering process, the solution based on Microsoft Dynamics 365 was the best fit for our requirements, and that's why it was selected by the Lufthansa procurement team.
We offered Lufthansa a package based on our vertical brand relations solution for Microsoft Dynamics 365, which met all customer requirements. Cloud technology allowed us to significantly reduce the time and costs involved in implementation and deployment and stay within the tight schedule. We used a custom development to adjust the software components to Lufthansa's complex requirements. This enabled us to map the media plan and the corresponding booking and billing processes.
The colleagues in the Lufthansa marketing department hope that the new solution will result in greater automation, improved efficiency, and ultimately more time for customers. All our expectations were fulfilled when the project was completed on time and on budget, and with a very high level of quality. Now we're looking forward to the solution running just as smoothly for us.